Today I am reviewing this illuminated street sign. It comes with all of the letters, and it comes with 2 templates, either for 3 numbers or letters, or for 4. We went ahead and put our last name on it because we already have an address sign, and our address is 5 numbers, so it wouldn't have worked really well. It probably still could have fit them, but they don't include a template for that. So that's something to consider. If you have that, it has a solar panel right here, so it is illuminated. There's an on-off switch right here in the back. It has this cool, like, bronzed, aged finish everywhere, and it was really easy to put up. There's also this plate right here. You can also mount it on a wall, and it does come with screws and wall anchors to do that. It also comes with this spike, and these 2 poles, these go out separately if you just want to put it straight into the ground, and it just mounts up just like this. Go ahead and turn it on. Let's see if I can cover the thing. Yeah, it just mounts up like that and looks great. We're gonna come back out and check it out at night. See. All right, you can see how it illuminates at night. Looks pretty cool, huh? I hope this video helps you with your buying decision.